Hi, my name is Scott Strohs, and this is MySQL Shorts. The first thing we need to do is start MySQL shell. We do this with the MySQL sh command. In this demo, I'm connecting to a local MySQL instance and connecting with a user named Scott. We are also connecting directly to the schema named MySQL_shorts. To access the Document Store API, we need to run MySQL shell in JavaScript mode. Fortunately, this is the default mode when MySQL shell is started. Now that MySQL shell is started in JavaScript mode, and we are connected to our database, let's view the list of Document Store collections on our server. Before we do that, note the message that states the default schema, MySQL_shorts, is accessible through a variable named db. This means any commands we run that start with db dot will be executed against our default schema. To get the list of Document Store collections in our schema, we run the command db.getCollections. As you can see, we only have a single collection named restaurant. This is the collection we'll be using in this demo. To return all the documents in our collection, we would use the command db.restaurant.find. You can see the results fly by and that over 25,000 documents were returned. Running find without any arguments is like running a SQL statement without a where clause. To filter the documents, we pass a single argument to the find method that has a similar syntax to a where clause. In this example, we want to get documents where the cuisine property is equal to bakery. Using this filter, only 691 documents are returned. We can filter our results even further by adding conditions to the argument we pass to the find method in much the same way we can add conditions to a where clause. Here, we want to get all documents where the cuisine property is equal to bakery and the borough property is equal to Bronx. With this more complex filter, we get 71 documents returned. In our last example, we are going to show how we can use a like statement and MySQL functions when we call the find method. We now want all documents where the cuisine property is bakery, the borough property is Bronx, and we use the lower function on the name property to get documents where the name starts with a lowercase p. Our results now only contain 7 documents. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to hit like and subscribe. Also, there'll be a link in the description for any code or files we used during this video.